What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having another good day. So in today's video, you guys, we're going to be dropping some awesome content. We're going to be installing Boost Auto toe cab lights up top, sequential color changing LEDs, smoke lenses, the whole shebang, y'all. We have it here. Shout out to the family over at Boost Autos, because this thing is legit, man. These aren't your regular everyday cab lights. As some of you guys know already, I am currently running Boost Auto fully loaded power tow mirrors on my truck. I got them color matched to the same truck. Power folding features, sequential LED turn signals slash y'all know what I'm talking about, where it changes from orange back to LEDs. They're super bright, like the lights on the tow mirrors alone light up the floor at night. These are going to be a very good addition to the truck. Anything Boost Auto I pretty much will run on my truck, because after doing the tow mirrors with them, like, is a game changer, right? And then also shout out to Boost again, because they did send this out to the channel for some content to make a video on, so I'm definitely gonna take full advantage of that, you know what I'm saying? Compared to their competitors in the past, I've hit them up, never even got a response. Boost was kind enough to send this out to the channel, help the channel out, help the build out, and on top of that, they're veteran friendly, they're pro-military, which if you can do that, man, you got like 80% of me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this video started. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, so that way every time I drop a video, you get notified. Also, let me know what y'all think about the new camera. So now, yeah, using this Osmo, this thing's sick. All right, let's get this started. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we're going to need today, right? So these, oh, I got the box upside down. I apologize. So there's everything we're gonna need right here, y'all. So everything comes in here that you need. It comes with the module. Get the camera in there. It comes with the module. It comes with the cab lights. The cab lights are gorgeous, packaged individually. Just a real quick plug, each cab light is made to go in a specific location. So if you actually see here, they're numbered, and there's numbers on the bottom of them, and I'll show you that when we get up top, right? But it's time to change out these ones over here, man, because the ones up there, they're shot, they look disgusting. You guys saw it in the intro. So we're gonna go ahead and make this thing look right. And then over here we have the module, which is super simple to install, you guys. Super simple to install. It does vary, so you can run this setup if you already have, this kit is made for if you already have factory cab lights installed. They do sell a kit where if you don't have factory cab lights and you want to incorporate it, they also offer a kit for that as well. So, you know, third gen guys, people without cab lights, don't worry, you guys can get in on this as well. But this is going to be super seamless, no cutting, no craziness, you guys. It's going to be really good and easy to do. From the 2010 to 2012s, wiring is a little different than from the 13 to the 18s. I got a 14, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it on a 14. So this will apply from a 2013 to a 2018, right? And then we'll go from there. Hey, shameless plug real quick, if you haven't seen the install on the new head unit, I highly encourage you to go back to the last video on the channel and check out the install on that. That thing is still sick. But we come up here and, oh my goodness, I got to figure out this camera. So we come up here, and as you can see, these lights are shot. These are just cheap Amazon clear lenses that clearly did not stay clear. They turned yellow probably about after 8 months. I've had them on now for about a year and a half, but these are all coming out, and we're gonna get them swapped out with the pretty looking ones. All right. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we went ahead and got the cab lights, old ones removed. They look disgusting. I don't remember what I said earlier about the numberings, but I confirmed it again. So when you, okay, camera, okay, so when you're installing this, the numbers, each one is specifically numbered, okay? And it should, yep, right there. See that right there, number 1? Each one has a number. So what you want to do is, if you're looking at it, the passenger side is going to be 1, and then it goes from there to the driver's side being number 5, if that makes sense. So if you're looking at it up there, it's going to be this side, passenger side, up there, cab light is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 should be on the driver's side. All right. And if you did not know, because Boost is awesome, you probably can't even see it, but they have a legit 12-minute installation video on how to install this. So you really can't go wrong with this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead, get these mounted up in the positions. And then once we go from there, we're going to go inside the cab and hook up the module, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys, this is super simple. You really can't mess this up. The biggest thing to remember is just the number order. Okay, so number one's going to start on the passenger side and then go from there towards the driver door. All right, so you got your original plug here. Don't worry about these T-taps. That's from previously when I had the other ones on there, the shitty ones. So all you do is come here and you plug it in. There we go. What's going on, man? That black. Now you want to make sure. I'm installing this backwards. Oh, I'm stupid. These screws, you want to make sure that they have the little washer, the little rubber grommet on them, so that way you don't have to worry about any leaks or anything. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones. All right, you guys, so we already got cab lights are installed and it already looks much nicer. Let's see if we can zoom in on this thing. How do we zoom in? Oh wow, I zoomed in. Y'all gotta bear with me, y'all. This is my first time really messing with this camera, but right now you can see those cab lights and they look good. Whoo, sheesh. What y'all think? I think they look really good. I don't know if you could see me in the film, but I was checking a few times, just kind of making sure, especially the ones on the ends, on this side and that side, I was just making sure that they were conforming to the curvature of the roof, which it was a good seal. They're all very, very sharp. It sucks because everything else is chrome on here, so these are black, but I think overall it all combines really well. So all right, so now from here, what we gonna do, so the hard part is done, which was mounting them, which took 15 minutes. We're gonna take this and this inside of here on the passenger side, and we are going to remove that, and I'll show you what we're doing. And to pull this off, you just come here, just pull that back like that, and then find somewhere where your finger can get in, like there, and you just snap that out. Super simple. I'm doing this with one hand, so y'all gotta bear with me a little bit. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and popped off the panel. So when you first pop your panel off, you're gonna notice your harness is plugged in like that. You just wanna come over here, you wanna just peel that red tab back and then pull it out. Super simple to take off. Once you take it off, you wanna look at your sheathing and you wanna peel that back. Give yourself about a couple inches. And what you're gonna do now, this is a 20, if you got a 13 to 18 model like mine, this is what you're gonna do. If you got a 10 to 12, yours is a little different. You're gonna have to pop this off and the connector's back there. But for this model specifically, 13 to 18, all you're gonna do is you're gonna find pin 1, which is that one there, top left, if you're holding the red tab up, and you're gonna cut that wire. You wanna cut it in the middle. So right about there where my thumb's at. You're gonna cut that, and then you're gonna strip both sides. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, you guys, now what you're gonna do, as you can see right there, we got the wires stripped. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your module. Now, for my ram bulbas, you're gonna have two wires here. You're gonna have a black and a blue one. Don't worry about the black one, just tape it out the way. We're only gonna be using the blue one. So what you're gonna do is you're going to come in and you're going to crimp this blue wire to the wire going up to the cab lights, okay? Leave this one there for a second. Let me do that. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did what I needed to do. So as you can see here, you take the module, the blue wire here gets routed up to the harness going up to the cab lights, and then the other side of that wire you cut, you're going to grab your 4-pin harness that comes with the kit, and you're going to cut about 8 inches or cut about 8 inches of orange wire, and you're going to splice it in there, plug the 4-pin harness, plug it into the module, and then you're going to plug this back up and you're going to reinstall it, you know, get this all situated. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your other harness, 2-pin, the 2-pin, get you guys set up, the 2-pin along with these 2 wires here, you're going to route all the way, you're going to route it underneath your dash or underneath over to the driver's side, and you're going to go through into the engine bay, because that's where you're going to hook up your ground, your power, and you're going to hook up your wire for your headlights. That way you get the turn signal feature. So we're going to go ahead and pretty much fast forward to all that. So as you can see, I went ahead and tucked the harness inside this little pocket right there, so that way it fits in there perfect. I got my wires ready to run, so I'm going to put this back on, and then I'm going to go ahead and run these wires and get them into the engine bay. All right, you guys, so you can see there I'm routing the wires right there. I figured this would just help you out. So if you get a coat hanger, tape the wires to it and fish it through here. It makes it 20,000 times easier to be able to get the wires routed. If you look in there, well, first off, I popped that cover off right here. That cover comes off. So if you look in there, you can see the light break through the other side. You just fish the wire through, and now all I got to do is pull, and I can bring the wires through. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then from there we're gonna be going way up in there. You just kind of see where the other wires are, but up there we're gonna fish them through that hole right there. All right, you guys, so went ahead and took the grill off. Took 10 minutes, not even 2 minutes to take off. Then I took out this driver's side headlight. If you've never taken it off before, it's super simple. You have a 10, God damn it, you have a 10 mil here, you have a 10 mil there, and then you got to come in here on the inside, and in there you just got to lift up that plastic latch right up there. You just press it up and then come out here and just pull it out, and then you're gonna pop it out of this ball socket. And then what I went ahead and did, per the instructions, if you have the LED bulb style connector, you're gonna go ahead and find pin 12, which all the pins are labeled, so you can't mess it up. You're gonna use a T-tap, you're gonna tap into pin 12, and then the blue and red wire, you're gonna crimp a spade connector on it, and you're going to install it. I routed this wire, I routed it so it's like you can't even see it, like you can kind of see it right there a little bit, but it's fine. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the exact same thing with the red and green wire, route it to the passenger side and do the exact same thing. And then obviously your black and red are for power and ground, which will cut to length, make it look clean. And at that point, I mean, technically the battery's supposed to be disconnected, and at that point you just reconnect everything and everything should work. I went ahead and ran that green and red wire I was telling you about. I ran it through the plastic up there, that factory one, ran it behind here. It's already crimped in there and stuff. I mean, this stuff, if you're doing this job, you know how to take your headlight out, you know how to, I hope, crimp a T-tap and all that. So that's done. Went ahead and installed the provided fuse for the positive line. It's super straightforward. And then I put the terminal ring on it, and then I did the same thing for the ground. I put the terminal ring on. So at this point now, you would just connect everything, technically connect your batteries. You should definitely disconnect your batteries before doing this, and then op check everything and check it out. So we're gonna do that now. All right, you guys, so finally got the lights installed, or got everything wired up and done. Had to take off 2 of them because the connectors were dirty, so I just hit the plugs with some electrical cleaner and took care of that, put them back in. Everything's working as advertised. So the hazards work, turn signals work, everything works. I can show y'all real quick. Give me a sec. Just give y'all a little sample what we're working with. So you can see right there, that's my left turn signal. Notice how the right side stays white. And just like the boost tow mirrors, sequential turn signals, everything works as advertised. This side is staying like that. If I was to flip it, it would look the same. So gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Things to consider. To be real, there really isn't nothing. This is a very straightforward, turn that off. This is a very straightforward install, y'all. If without filming and stuff, it probably wouldn't take as long as it took me. I mean, you could definitely get this done in an hour and a half max, on these trucks at least. It's super simple. Oh, the headlights are still on. I heard something. So it's definitely a good install though. It helps tie the truck in too, just to clean her up. Like, they're smoked, which is not a huge deal. I personally don't mind it. I think it looks way better than let's just say this piece of shit. So that's junk. This looks much better. So I'm extremely happy, satisfied with this install. You guys check them out. I will have their link for their products down below. Check the website out, and I also put a link for their tutorial install video. Super simple to install. So once again, shout out to the Boost family for this. It came out pretty sick. Oh, it's tracking me. This camera's pretty sick. I'm still trying to figure out how to work it though, so bear with me. But yeah, you guys, so let me know what y'all think about the install. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything buttoned up, put the grill back on, all that stuff, clean up the inside, put the panels back on because I popped them off real quick. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Super simple install, quick too, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it, all that good stuff. Drop a comment, let me know what y'all think. Until next time though, which is gonna be soon because we got more updates coming with the motor. So until next time, y'all take care, be safe, peace out. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys later.